The main idea of a paragraph can be found by noticing what the paragraph is mostly about. There will often be details to help you find the main idea. Read this paragraph about Max. Pause the video if you need more time. As you first began reading, you probably thought the main idea was that Max had a math test. But as you read further, you should have noticed that the writer did not talk much about the math test. Instead, the writer used several details to help you understand what the main point was. The main idea of this paragraph is that Max is nervous about his math test, because most of the paragraph is telling about his nervousness. Remember, when finding the main idea of a paragraph, you need to notice what the paragraph is mostly about. Let's look at another example. Take a moment and read this paragraph. Remember to pause the video if you need more time. At first, you may have thought the main idea of this paragraph was that Veronica liked to roller skate. But if you look carefully at the details that the writer uses, you will notice that the paragraph is mostly about the fact that Veronica is not very good at roller skating. The writer gives us 4 details to help understand the main idea of this paragraph. Remember to focus on the details the writer uses to find what the paragraph is mostly about.